I have a lot of people who reach out to me who want to start selling on Amazon, and I help them out. I give them tips, I answer their questions, and then I check in 3 months later, 6 months later, a year, 2 years later, and they're gone. They quit, they gave up. And the reality is, there's a difference between people like that versus people like my friend Tanner, who I think he just crossed 50,000 a month with eBay to Amazon after transitioning out of doing books and Amazon to Amazon book flips. And here's the thing. Everybody says they want to have success, right? Everyone says, I'm hungry for success, right? It's so easy for somebody to say, I'm hungry, like I am hungry for success. But here's the thing. There's a difference between saying you're hungry for success versus actually being hungry. And I want to talk about what that looks like in today's video in terms of what it looks like when someone's actually hungry for success. When someone's hungry for success, they are willing to do whatever it takes to get the result, right? To become successful. They understand that success doesn't happen overnight. They understand that it's a process, and on the road to success, there's going to be ups and downs, and there's going to be challenges, right? Everybody's going to be dealing with restrictions, but there's people who are going to find a way to get around them or double down on products that they can sell, or find distributors, so on and so forth, to get ungated, right? And then there's going to be people who just say, oh, there's restrictions, and they just give up and they quit, right? There's going to be people who apply to sell. Like, for example, a lot of products nowadays, if you've been selling for a while, especially the smaller brands, you can get auto ungated on these brands. And there's different hacks that a lot of people don't know about to get auto ungated in some of these brands when Amazon gives you an instant rejection. And for anybody who watched the live show that I did with Tanner the other day, I'm not going to give away that gold nugget. You can watch that video. He shared a tactic that's been helping me out tremendously with getting ungated in brands that I was normally restricted on, right? And people who are hungry for success, they network with other people like myself, right? I'm hungry for success. That's why I still post these videos. That's why I do the podcast. That's why I network with people, right? That's why I built Replun Catcher, because I wanted to improve my business. There was no softwares that would track replens that had advanced automations like Replun Catcher. Yeah, there was FlipMine, but that's like going to kindergarten, right? With eBay to Amazon flipping. Although FlipMine is great, right? I have nothing wrong or nothing bad to say about FlipMine, but I spent 3 years and hundreds of thousands of dollars building that. I built the E2A master sheet because there was no way to organize an eBay to Amazon business. I had to invent things that didn't exist. There's a difference between people who are hungry for success versus just saying they're hungry, right? The people who are really, really willing to do whatever it takes, they're spending time asking questions. They're in the eBay to Amazon flipping community or any Amazon community that you're doing. Maybe you're not doing eBay to Amazon. I'm not here to convince you to do it. That's just what I do. They are hungry. They network with people. They ask questions. They engage in the community. They give. Even if they only have maybe a level 2 out of 10 knowledge base, they're helping as much as they can because they know that builds equity and that builds trust and that builds relationships. And selling on Amazon is a relationship game. I can't tell you how many things I have learned from other people. You might watch my channel and say, wow, I don't know if anyone ever says this. Wow, Steve's so smart. I don't think anyone says that, but maybe you say, wow, like I can never do what he does. Like he builds all these systems and processes and working with a prep center and softwares and this and that. It's because I'm hungry for success. There's a difference between saying it and there's a difference between doing it. There's two types of people in this world. There's people who want to get to a goal, but they see this big barrier in front of them. A lot of the people, they just quit. Oh, there's this big barrier. Oh man, this isn't meant to be. Like everything's meant to be. Everything's part of destiny. Everything is, if there's a roadblock, that means I have to go a different direction. No, in business, the people that are most successful, and of course, this is a general rule of thumb. There are people who find other directions. Maybe Amazon's not for you, but the people I notice who are most successful, they smash through that barrier. They find a way, and they might fall on their face 5, 10, 20, 30 times. But the people who are actually successful, however you define that, success might be 1,000 a month, 5,000 a month, or like my friend Jason doing a $250,000 per month, right? But the people winning, they go through it. They find a way, right? Tony Robbins talks a lot about this in a lot of the conferences and Date with Destiny and Unleash the Power Within. People who are successful, they find a way or they make a way. They invent a way. They figure it out, okay? If we were able to go to freaking the moon, right? If we were able to create all this advanced technology in this world and automobiles and fly through the freaking sky like a bird, you're telling me you can't find a way to make $5,000 a month on Amazon or $10,000 a month? But Steve, you don't get it. Like it's risky and I'm scared and what if they shut me down? Double, triple down on learning. Get around people. There's people who are succeeding right now. The only difference between them and you, is you don't know what they know. You haven't built up the, how do I say that? The power to maybe invest $20,000 a month or $40,000 a month. You got to start with investing $50 a month and then $100 a month. But Steve, my goal is only to have a side hustle. Well, why aren't you making $1,000 a month? Because you're in your head. Tony Robbins always says, if you're in your head, you're dead. People overthink things and procrastinate and make up a million different excuses for why. It's restrictions. Oh, I don't have the money. Nobody had the money when they started for the most part. Start small. When I started my eBay to Amazon business, I did have the money, but I didn't invest it all. I started with $500 a month and then $1,000. Start small. This is why I have a lot of thrifting content on my channel, right? Because, you know, it's probably not best to just get into online arbitrage if you have no experience. Start selling stuff around your house. Start thrifting. If you don't have a lot of money, you could buy a book at Goodwill for $1 and sell it for $50. But Steve, I'm restricted. Once you start selling a couple of items, they're going to start auto-engaging you. But people, they don't even want to go through the process anymore. They want that instant gratification. They're so hungry. They're so hungry for success, but they put in no work. The only thing they're hungry for is just yip-yapping and talking, because they think that talking and telling everybody what they're going to do is actually going to get them the success. But really, it just makes them feel better, and then they forget about it and they dilute themselves with BS. And the next thing you know, 6-12 months have gone down the road and they say, Amazon's too risky. They're changing the rules, the restrictions. Oh, this guy got his account suspended, da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Well, there's people who are winning and there's people who are losing. There's people who are doing it and there's people that are quitting. You can lead a horse to water, the highest quality, best water ever, all the food, water, and everything, but you can't make them eat and drink. And that's the reality that I'm starting to learn nowadays, is that 98% of people are just not hungry for success. They're not hungry. They're absolutely not hungry. And if they were hungry, they would find a way, and they would have made a way to become successful.